है वज़ीर आज़म पाकिस्तान इमरान खान की सयाहत को फ़रोग़ देने की कोशिशें रंग लाने लगी। बरतानवी सयाह और मारूफ व्लॉगर बेन लारी भी पाकिस्तान के कुदरती हुस्न से मुतासिर होकर यहाँ पहुँच गए। फैसलाबाद में रिक्शा भी चलाया और मौज मस्ती भी की। इस हवाले से देखते हैं फैसलाबाद से अवैस सत्तार की रिपोर्ट।
सयाह और मारूफ व्लॉगर बेन लैरी नए पाकिस्तान को देखने के लिए यहाँ पहुँच गए। कराची से हुंजा तक अकेले सफर के बाद फैसलाबाद में पड़ाव डाल दिया। कहते हैं कि पाकिस्तान एक महफूज मुल्क है। पाकिस्तानियों की मेहमान नवाजी के भी गुन गाते रहे।
Yeah, unfortunately it is true. Like when I said I was coming to Pakistan, like everyone was like, "Oh, be careful, be careful." It's a dangerous place. There's no danger here. It's perfectly safe, and tourists need to come here because it's an amazing country. And yeah, I love it, and I'll definitely be back next year.
उनको यहाँ स्पॉन्सर करने वाले शहरी इलियास कहते हैं कि गैर मुल्की सयाहों को पाकिस्तान मदऊ करने का मकसद दुनिया भर में पाकिस्तान का मस्बत चेहरा दिखाना है। पाकिस्तान सयाहत के लिए महफूज मुल्क है।
इस साल में कोई 10+ फॉरेनर्स को पाकिस्तान वेलकम कर चुका हूँ। उनमें से एक ये बेन है जो अभी 10 दिन पहले उनसे मुझसे कॉन्टैक्ट किया था। आई वांट टू विजिट पाकिस्तान, आई एम ए व्लॉगर। सो मैंने उन्हें वेलकम किया। वेलकम करने के बाद उसने कहा मैं इतना अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता, आई एम ए व्लॉगर। सो आई सेड नो प्रॉब्लम, सो आई इन्वेस्ट सम मनी फ्रॉम माय ओन पॉकेट जस्ट टू प्रमोट टूरिज्म पाकिस्तान।
व्लॉगर बेन लैरी ने रिक्शा भी खूब चलाया और शहरियों से भाव ताव भी करते रहे। शहरी भी उन्हें अपने दरमियान देखकर सेल्फियां बनाते रहे।
बरतानवी शहरी बेन ने पाकिस्तान आकर दुनिया को ये दिखा दिया कि पाकिस्तान सियाहत के लिए महफूज मुल्क है। हुकूमत अगर थोड़ी सी तवज्जो दे तो पाकिस्तान में सियाहत को मजीद फरोग दिया जा सकता है। कैमरामैन मोहम्मद शाहिद के साथ अवैस सत्तार, बोल न्यूज़, फैसलाबाद।
और इस वक्त बरतानवी सयाह और व्लॉगर बेंजामिन रियान हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। बेंजामिन रियान, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर टाइम। बेंजामिन, यू हैव विजिटेड डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, हाउ डिफरेंट पाकिस्तान इज?
Hey, good morning. Can you see me? I don't think you can see me.
Yes, we can.
Hello? Oh, you can see me? Yes, I'm having an amazing time in Pakistan. Incredible. One of my favorite new countries. Love it.
How different Pakistan is?
Yeah, completely different. People said it would be similar to India, but it's completely different. Yeah, I recommend it to anyone to come here.
So have you only visited Faisalabad or other cities also?
Oh, they've just put me on the telly. Yeah, I was in Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad. Then I went to Hunza and other places in the north.
Okay, you visited many cities. So what do you like most in Pakistan?
The hospitality, number one. The people have been super friendly and they treat you like a god. It's amazing. It's great. You basically don't pay for anything. I know that sounds a bit cheeky, but you try to pay for things and they're just like, no, you're a guest. Like, it's free, and so it's pretty heartwarming.
You tried Pakistani food?
Yes, it can upset your stomach at times. I've had some bad experiences, but overall it's amazing. I'm fine now. It takes time to adjust to it if you're like a foreigner, but yeah, it was great.
Benjamin, what places do you recommend others to visit Pakistan?
Sorry?
What places do you recommend?
For other vloggers we are asking.
Hunza, Skardu, and all those regions in the north. And I want to come back and go to Peshawar, is it? Peshawar? And the Kailash Valley in the north as well.
Okay, we just wanted to know why you're choosing Pakistan for your vlogs and all.
It's still kind of unexplored, and 2020 it was supposed to. Well, I read online that it's the biggest tourist destination in the world to come to Pakistan. So I was like, why is this a thing? So obviously due to the lockdown pandemic stuff, I couldn't come. But now all that seems to be over. I booked the flight, and it was great.
Rian, you know the Pakistan's security forces did excellent job to bring peace back. So did you find any security issues in Pakistan?
Absolutely zero. Like, I've been on long distance trains, sleeper buses. I've been solo the whole time, and I've had zero issues. In the north, they even, because you're a foreigner and you travel from city to city, you get a designated security guard. You don't need it. It's just like a government policy. I'm not too sure why, but yeah, nothing's going to happen.
Rian, have you tried to learn Urdu? How many words you learned up till now?
Tola Tola Urdu, Tola Tola. So
What
just
thoda
both small.
thoda?
Up can't say, up kanam ke hai, up kaise hai, tika, koi badni. I say koi badni all the time. Cello.
Rian, what do you say? Is it easy to learn Urdu or difficult?
No. Very, very difficult. Very difficult.
Thank you very much, Benjamin Rian, for your time.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।